Is Ethereum going to outperform Bitcoin over the next couple of weeks, especially with the announcement of a potential merger? This is the question I want to tackle in today's video. My name is Julian. On this channel, it's all about talking about crypto, general markets, investments. Yesterday, I had mentioned in the video that I had started selling US dollars and I bought crypto, I bought stocks, I bought bonds. There was the mentioning of that news article that's going to come out. It came out today on Bloomberg. You can find it on my Twitter if you want. And then, I share a bit about various factors, altcoins versus Bitcoin and so on. And so obviously that question also comes, what's going to happen to Ethereum? And so I wanted to tackle that question. Whoop, someone totally different lane. Let me back up. Okie doke. Hot day today here in Singapore. Man, what's it? 36 degrees outside. Yeah, it's two different types of climates here in Singapore. It's either indoors or outdoors. Hot. Going to the office now, by the way. Had calls all morning. Sat down with Julian, my co-founder, and driving to the office now after lunch and going for meetings, doing a lot of stuff there. So let's tackle the topic about Ethereum and what does this mean. So yesterday I had mentioned that I bought some crypto. I mainly bought DeFi chain, DeFi, and I bought Ethereum. I didn't buy any Bitcoins. The reason for that is we have the majority of our crypto treasury in the company, Cake DeFi. We have that in Bitcoin. So I don't want to double kind of down there. And actually, and that's also an important part, I always think Bitcoin has the lowest downside risk of any cryptocurrency. We see this when prices drop, Bitcoin tends to drop the lowest. However, when I believe prices will go up rather, then I do actually think Bitcoin is not the best investment in crypto. I do think other coins will perform better. And we have seen this. I mean, Ethereum over the last 7 days, I think is up 40% or something. Bitcoin is up over the last 7 days, I think by 10%. Still really nice, but not 40% or something. So big difference. DeFi chain performing extremely well. And so I personally rather invest in those coins. And then I allocated a little bit into some hypey, pumpy coins. I don't want to talk too much about those here because some of these coins maybe don't have so much substance. It's just that personally, maybe I know some people behind the project. I think they could do well. They could pump. And I don't want to pump any coins here on the channel. So but let's see. In general, I am obviously a bit more bullish for the second half of the year. And so that's why I've been allocating some of the funds. And mainly in DeFi chain and Ethereum. DeFi chain because I just think that project has massive potential. Ethereum, and now let's get to the topic of the video, because of the upcoming merger that could now finally happen in September. Now, the big caveat to that obviously is that we don't know if that's really going to happen. Maybe this is just like one of those false alarms. But at the moment, the market actually thinks there's a good chance for the merger to happen. And then that's obviously quite exciting. I do think this is a nice trading idea. I actually would take a good look into that if you want to kind of put some purchase power right now into Ethereum. Obviously, if you then also want to get cash flow on your crypto, then hopefully you come to cakedefi.com. We are completely transparent about how to generate the cash flow. You can do this with borrowing, lending, staking, liquidity mining, tokenization. So it's quite interesting, and obviously also with Ethereum. So my hopes for Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin over the next couple of weeks. Then let's see if the merger happens, and let's hope, fingers crossed, there's no issues. Then obviously that's that could be quite powerful. Then it's gonna the question is gonna come up. What about the release schedule for all the staked ETH? Don't forget, there's gonna be a lot of people who want to sell their ETH just because they have been holding for quite some time and they want to cash in on that. So that's gonna be a big topic. And maybe the merger is gonna get delayed, and that's obviously gonna have a massive impact on the price. Then this could really kind of pull everything. Absolute worst case would be if there is a bug and then we see chain forks, chain splits, consensus splits. This would be absolutely nightmarish, but fingers crossed the Ethereum team has this under control. So yeah, that's a bit where I'm standing. Shifting slightly to some risk on at the moment. Yeah, I'll keep rebalancing in that regard. And so yeah, we're also going to make quite a powerful statement from the company treasury side. We have to sign this off on the board first. Once we have that, then we can make that announcement. That's also going to be quite interesting. Let me know what you think about the current markets. What coins do you think can perform really well in the second half of this year? Are there any kind of secret insider projects at the moment that you see that people should really pay attention to? Yeah, so all in all, I think quite an interesting time. Fingers crossed. I hope you subscribe to the channel. If you value this, maybe leave me a positive review, comment on the podcast, obviously a thumbs up, share this, and then I hope I see you next time. With this, let's see. To the moon. All the best, yours truly, Julian. Bye-bye.